Hello and welcome to Cookery Basics. My name is Tammy and today we will be doing basic knife skills. The first cut we will be doing today is Brunoise or fine dice. We are going to top and tail the carrot. So you just take the ends off. And then I am just going to cut the carrot in half to make it easier so you can get your slices to cut into your fine dice. So you just want to take a tiny little bit off the carrot to stop it rolling. Always keep your fingers away from the knife and do them into an arch so you don't cut your finger. And don't feel like you need to rush. Speed comes with time. So all you're doing is little slices and just taking your time like that. So I'll just show you. So you want to put little nice strips, and then you want to do them so they're level like this. And all you're doing is cutting little tiny cubes. Just take your time till you get used to what you are doing. And these can be used in many things, including sauces, if you just want to add a little bit of chunk, soups, salads. So there we are. That is your fine dice or brunoise. Our second cut today will be Julienne, which is fine cut strips. So again, we will start by topping and tailing the carrot. Keep your fingers away from the knife. So we'll start with cutting the carrot in half again. And then we take a little strip off again to stop it from rolling. And we start with taking the edge off again. And then you're doing strips again of the carrot. Just take your time. So I will start with putting two pieces together. Keep your fingers in this position and slice thinly as close as you can get it to the edge. And keep going. So you've got some Julienne strips. I'll just get rid of the little bits and I'll show you again. We will keep going like this. Keep slicing for practice. And then you end up with some Julienne strips that you can put in salad or cold slaws. The third cut we will be doing today is fine dice onion. So we're going to start with cutting the onion in half. So make sure you get your hands either side, nice support so the knife is not going to cut you. Then cut in half. And then we want to keep the end of the onion on to keep it together. So we will start with doing little thin slices. So keep your hands away and keep going. Do it all the way down. Like this. Follow the onion. Then you want to make sure you cut the other way. So go in on your onion. You're going to obviously end up with a few bits, so we'll get rid of them so I can show you. And then you want to go down with your knife and you'll get fine looking diced cubes. That you can use in soups, salads. You want little fine veg trimmings in sauces to be fancy. And obviously you can turn your onion on the side if you want to get the last few bits. And then obviously the trimming goes in your bin. Just so you know, all the veg trimmings will be going into a stock pot. The last thing I will be showing you is how to make your own garlic puree or mince your garlic using a knife. So we will start with obviously peeling the garlic to get your cloves out. You can easily break the garlic because some of the cloves just come straight off. I'll just show you the thick peel around it, because I always like to take the thickest peel off so it's easier to get the more cloves off when you need them. So we've took all the main peel off, so now we're just going to peel the garlic clove. Then we're just going to take the little end of the garlic off. Put your knife flat, get your hand, keep your knife away from the edge, and you just want to crush it flat. And then all you do is you push your knife at a slight angle, and then you're just going to press down on it so you mince it. Keep at it. And then keep scooping it and keep going. You want a proper fine garlic paste. And there you have it. There's your garlic paste that you can just scoop back up with your knife. But first,
but first,
we cut the onion. And start again. So the third cut we will be doing today is fine onion.
It's fine onions.
Give me a minute, please, I'm sorry. So we will start with cutting the onion and knife. Make sure you get your...
Cutting an onion and knife. Would it help to cut it in half first before I cut it in knife?
I'm sorry.
Let me stop and the start again.